In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chrome profile picture. By the end, you'll have a fresh profile photo showing up across Chrome, so it's easier to spot your browsing profile and keep things organized. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're in the profile you want to update, especially if you use multiple profiles for work, school, or personal browsing. You can always switch profiles, but it's simpler to set the picture on the one that's currently active. Look to the top right corner of Chrome and click your profile icon. This is the circular image, or initial, next to the three-dot menu. When the profile panel opens, you'll see your current picture at the top. Hover over that picture and click the small camera icon that appears. That's the shortcut to edit your profile photo. If you don't see the icon right away, give it a second or move your cursor over the image. It should pop up. In the editing window, choose Upload from Device. This tells Chrome you want to use a photo stored on your computer rather than anything else. A file picker will open so you can browse your folders. Now choose the photo you want to use. For the best results, pick a clear, well-lit image where your face or logo is centered. Square or high-resolution images tend to crop more cleanly. Most common formats like JPG and PNG work perfectly. Once you select it, Chrome will load a preview. Use the crop and rotate tools to fine-tune how your picture appears. Drag the handles to frame the subject, and rotate if the image needs straightening. Aim to keep important details in the center, since profile photos are shown as circles in many places, and the edges may be trimmed. When you're happy with the framing, click Next. This moves you to the confirmation screen so you can see how the final picture will look. Finally, click Save as Profile Picture. Chrome will apply the change, and within a moment or two, you should see your new image in the top right corner. If you use the same profile on other devices, it may take a short time to sync across everything. That's it. You opened Chrome, accessed your profile, used the camera icon to edit, uploaded a photo from your device, cropped and rotated it, clicked Next, and saved it as your profile picture. If you ever want to refresh it again, just repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated Chrome profile.